Hi, I'm Eric with C3EL. I'm here to introduce our brand new multimedia cart, the Talon Pro. For years we have custom built several units just like this for our DoD, government, and our law enforcement agency clients. We have been requested by numerous clients to make these commercially available. You will find that the Talon Pro is the only fully functional media cart that doesn't require a technician or tools to install, as it comes pre-assembled with everything you need. The only thing you'll have to do is take the TV out of the box and hang it on the pre-installed mount that it comes with, and then all you'll have to do is plug it in. The Talon Pro will also arrive pre-configured with a mini PC, or it can be outfitted to sync with any industry standard equipment. The Talon Pro base package includes a professional-grade, omnidirectional Shure microphone, able to pick up the sound from an entire room. It comes with top-of-the-line JBL speakers that are compatible with your laptop, tablet, computer, or mobile device. The Logitech HD webcam is adjustable and automatically focuses for crisp images and optimum video quality. Additionally, the attached locking cabinet securely houses all of your equipment for storage. The Talon Pro comes in two models, the 165 and the 265. We offer on-site setup, and we are dedicated to the end user, with tech support that is second to none. Preventative maintenance programs are available to keep your Talon Pro up to date and at peak efficiency. Everything is assembled, tested, and shipped from our facility here in Tampa, Florida. For more information on the Talon Pro, visit our website at c3el.com.